Now we will install the battery. There are probably many places where you can install the battery, but what appears to be a recommended location is right here at the front of the robot. There is very convenient place. We'll place the battery like this, so it is protected practically from almost everywhere, and we'll use some pigtails to hold it in place. I'll place loosely one of the pigtails just to hold it temporarily in place, and the second pigtail. I will place only 2 of them, though the set includes 3. I will keep one in reserve. Now I can decide where exactly I want the battery, adjust properly the location, and tighten the pigtails. If necessary, using pliers to do this. Seems like I tightened them already quite well, just by hand. Yeah, that seems to be as tight as possible. And this one, maybe a little bit more. Still slightly loose, I think. And the battery is properly held in place. Here it is. All the parts are now in place. The only thing we need to do is connect all the wires and start tuning the robot and programming it.